Hi, good afternoon. June 23 po, Monday, gloomy pero mainit. But anyway, nandito kami sa isang progressive town outside of Tuguegarao, which is about an hour. Ganda, full of green. Nakapark ako dito sa tapat ng munisipyo. Inaantay ko po yung team of leaders, okay, which was organized by Ma'am Seldi, Ma'am Marichara dito, and of course kasama namin si Sir Romeo and si Edna, okay. And we're now planting our first nanocell pillar or seed dito sa particular place na to. We work silently. Hindi po kami nagpo-post ng pictures na may pera, na may product. We don't work that way, okay? We don't hype. So we work the proper way. Very professional po ang ating management team. We own our own manufacturing company sa Subic, Zambales, headed by our chief formulator Dr. Tiru, and surrounded by medical experts. So doktor na po sila, coming up with targeted food supplements, now we have about 8 to 9 of them right now, and it's doing well in the market. So that is one big advantage with nanocell. We don't rely on third-party suppliers, atin po ang ating manufacturing arm. That is why kontrolado natin ang quality at saka inventory. Big plus po yun. Number 2, yung research and development tuloy-tuloy. So next month we're waiting for a new product, Heartbeat naman, for the cardiovascular. I-announce natin yan once available. Then we have a rich professional leaders, very professional. We don't believe in hype. We don't believe in baliw-baliw system of attracting customers and pay-ins. We don't do it that way. We do it the most sustainable way. We follow a structure of system na maduduplicate nyo yung sarili nyo when you join our team, okay? We are now being supported by the management team. Tinuturuan kami, okay, yung hindi namin natutunan, okay, in my previous company, okay. They are teaching us how to do it the proper way, and na-appreciate namin masyado yun. So we do our work in the daytime, pero pagdating sa hapon at saka sa gabi, we attend our trainings every day. So that's the way to do it. But anyway folks, ito na yung start of something big for us. And if you want to join us, okay, share this video with your family and friends, because we will I would say dominate the market in the next few months. We are calm, we are relaxed, we are professionals. We don't we don't hype just to attract customers or pay-ins. So that is the way we're doing it, we follow a system of duplication para sa ganon in the next 3-6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years down the line, you will become, your business will be more sustainable, and the most important thing, mag-autopilot na po yung inyong income stream, okay, in the end. Thank you, and more updates.